In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default font in Microsoft Outlook. Fast. 2025 guide. First, open your browser, search for Microsoft Outlook, and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the account where you actually send mail, whether that's a personal, work, or school account. Once you're in your inbox, we'll head to the settings where the default font lives. Depending on which version you're using, you may see a file menu in the top left. If you're in the desktop app, click File to access the app's controls. If you're using Outlook on the web, you won't see File. So jump straight to the settings gear instead. Either way, we're aiming to get into Outlook's mail settings. Click on Settings. On the web, that's the gear icon in the upper right. A panel will open. If you see a search box there, you can type Compose and Reply to get straight to the right page, but I'll also show the manual path so you can follow along. Next, click on Mail in the left-hand menu of the Settings panel. This groups everything related to composing, reading, and formatting email. Now choose Compose and Reply. This page controls your default message format, signatures, and how replies look. Scroll a bit until you find the section for message formatting and fonts. Click on Fonts, then scroll down and choose the font style you want. You can set the typeface, size, color, and whether it's bold or italic by default. If you want a clean, widely supported look, consider fonts like Calibri, Arial, or Sego UI. For readability, sizes around 11 to 12 point usually work well, and high contrast colors improve accessibility. You can also set different defaults for new messages versus replies and forwards, which is handy if you prefer slightly smaller text in long threads. Keep in mind that recipients who don't have a specialty font installed may see a fallback, so sticking to common fonts helps your messages appear consistently across devices. When you're happy with your choices, click Save. Don't skip this. If you navigate away without saving, Outlook will revert to your previous settings. After saving, open a new message or reply to any email to confirm your default font is applied automatically. Changes usually take effect right away. If they don't, refresh your browser or close and reopen the app. That's it. You've set your default font, so every new email starts with your preferred look: clean, consistent, and professional. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother Outlook experience.